Do you want to know how you can log into your ITI Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your ITI Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for ITI Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of ITI Mutual Fund. Click continue and then you can see this login portal. You can log in using your PAN ID or your user ID. So go ahead and write down your PAN number or your email ID and you can write down your password in the box down below. Go ahead and check your password. Make sure your username and password are correct. Go ahead and click I agree to the terms and conditions and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your ITI Mutual Funds account. In case you want to log in using OTP, go ahead and click login with OTP. Write down your PAN number. Go ahead and click I agree to terms and privacy policy. Go ahead and click login with OTP after your PAN card is shown valid, and then an OTP code will be sent to your phone number. Write down the OTP code on the screen and then you can log in using OTP as well. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, go ahead and click forgot password and you can recover your account once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your ITI Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.